Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase followers on Instagram by just using one simple strategy. Guys, I use this strategy on all my Instagram accounts to get thousands and thousands of followers easily. So if you want to know that strategy and hack the Instagram algorithm and blow up on Instagram, then you need to watch this video carefully till the end. And guys, by the way, if you're new to my channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. And guys, if you're looking to grow your Instagram account, then consider subscribing. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, to appear on the explore page, you have to use hashtags. Guys, just listen what I'm trying to tell. Guys, what I'm trying to tell is 100% real. Now take a look at this Instagram post. I'm getting tens and thousands of views just from hashtags. Guys, on Instagram, you'll have the option to use 30 hashtags. Now, you should divide this 30 hashtags into 3 sets. The first set of 10 hashtags should have less than 100,000 posts on Instagram. And the middle set of hashtags should have anywhere from 100,000 to 500,000 hashtags. And the last set of hashtags should have anywhere from 500,000 to 1 million posts on Instagram. And guys, try to avoid hashtags which have millions and millions of posts on Instagram, because if you use those type of hashtags, you won't get anything. And guys, keep at least 5 to 10 sets of hashtags ready, and each set of hashtags should contain 30 hashtags. So use these hashtags randomly while uploading posts on Instagram, because if you use the same hashtags on all your Instagram posts, then Instagram will block your hashtags for spamming. So once after uploading this post, just go to the comment section of that particular post and just paste the hashtags there also, because if you do this, your post will rank. Guys, out of hundreds of strategies, this is just one simple strategy. And guys, by the way, if you want to know all those other 99 strategies, then consider subscribing to my channel. And guys, by the way, if you're looking to grow your Instagram account, then you're on the right place. Okay guys, if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then leave a comment down below in the comment section. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please do drop a like in this video. And guys, on this channel I make all YouTube growth related videos and Instagram related videos. So if you're a YouTuber and Instagrammer, then consider subscribing. If you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, a peace.